Hey guys, welcome to my little video that I'm going to be reviewing graphing exponential and logarithmic functions to help you prepare for your quiz. So first I made this table because I wanted to show you guys the difference between exponential and log functions just as a little review in case you still have some questions. First of all, the parent exponential function has the base b. As we know, both log and exponential functions, we use the letter b to represent the base. So the parent exponential function is f of x equals b to the x, where b could be any number greater than 0. And remember, we can determine whether that function is growth or decay, whether b is, over here, if it's growth, b is greater than 1, and if it's decay, b is between 0 and 1, okay? So with that being said, we can transform that function using the parameters a, h, and k as I have written in g of x here. So a is your vertical stretch or compression or reflection over the x-axis. We have x minus h, that's right or left, and remember, always think opposite. And we have plus k, which is up or down. The logarithmic function, the parent also has that b value, the base right there. So f of x equals log base b of x, and that again has the same stipulation. B is just a positive real number. And then there's no growth or decay with logs. They just start down with the asymptote and increase. But log also has a, h, and k that follow along the same as every other function. A is your vertical stretch or compression, h is your right or left, k is up or down. So let's just look at the parent graphs real quick. If I have a growth function, I'm going to start, if it's just the parent graph, I haven't moved it, I have a horizontal asymptote at y equals 0. So I'm going to also put that on here. Horizontal asymptote. And then when we transform it, it's going to be y equals k because it up or down will change that. But these are just our parent graphs. And then this is what growth looks like. Your decay graph also has that horizontal asymptote at y equals 0. However, it is decaying toward that asymptote. Okay, so I had a question today. How do I know if the asymptote is vertical or horizontal? Well, you just have to remember that it's a horizontal asymptote when it's exponential function. But once we come over to logarithmic, this is when we have a vertical asymptote. That's right here. And that is affected by movements right or left. So vertical asymptote, and so that would always be at x equals h. But of course, the parent graph starts at x equals 0. And we have it growing up like that. Okay, so I'm just going to do 2 examples